What's going on, everybody? It's Tyler from CleanCo401, and if you're new here, smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, turn those notifications on, because we do post new content each and every single week. Today, I'm going to be completely restoring this disgusting, filthy pair of the Sacai Nylon White Vaporwaffles. These got white paint drops all over them, all over the nylon and the suede. So I don't exactly know how I'm going to get that off yet, but I'm going to figure it out mid-video. You guys will be on that journey with me. We're just going to fix these up, completely restore them. Let's get right into it. What's going on, guys? Real quick, I just want to tell you guys I am teaming up with Pumps and Kicks to give away a free 3-pack and these Supreme items you see right here. All you gotta do to enter is go to my Instagram, like this post, comment tagging 2 friends, share it, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube. Also follow me at CleanCo401 and Pumps and Kicks at Pumps and Kicks. Both Instagrams will be in the description. Please, please, please go over there. Make sure you enter. It is going to be going till Friday, April 9th. Make sure you get in there. There's already a lot of entries. So we are going to hop right into these, and of course we need to start with our Angelus Suede and New Buck kit. So of course we're gonna pull that suede block out. I still don't know the proper name for this thing, and I use it all the time. But anyway, we are just going to go over the suede with the block, or whatever you would call it. I would call it a block. And we're just going to go over the suede to get all of that dirt out of there. And we are just going to continue with our suede block. Just continue to go over the suede. There's a lot of dirt on the suede areas that we have to take care of. So we're just going to go all the way around. I better not see anybody in the comments talk about how I didn't pull the laces out. Because these laces and these Sacais, don't even get me started on the Sacais. Don't even get me started on the Sacais. This isn't even a review, so I shouldn't even be having this conversation. But, you know, the Sacai material for a shoe this height, it's kind of questionable. Anyway, we're just going to continue on that dirty, dirty suede. Just wait till we get to the nylon. Think the suede's bad. Just wait. Like, you've obviously seen nothing on this sneaker yet. Alrighty, so now we need to grab our dry brush and we need to go at it. So this dry brush is used to just put everything back into place with the suede and New Buck, because you are pushing stuff around with that block. So this just cleans it up, makes it look nice. That is all we're doing here. Now we're going to grab our Angelus Easy Cleaner, and I decided to go with the Angelus Easy Cleaner today because I love this product for suede. It's the best product I use on suede, New Buck, or just any weird material in general. You know, it's a good product. Angelus has a lot of top-notch products. Even though this isn't a product review, you're getting everything in this video. Alright, now we're going to start on the entire body of the Sacais. We're just going to soak this thing because this nylon is filthy. So we need to clean the nylon, which later on I'm going to get the rest of these stains out. But right now we're just coating it with soap. Just making sure we're looking clean so we can try to get that paint off later on. Alright, we're just going to continue scrubbing these midsoles. Just keep up with the scrubbing. Don't stop scrubbing. that is the goal at hand. These midsoles are so weird. I must say, they're cool. You know, they're cool looking and everything until you're the one cleaning them. You know, like, god damn. My god, the things I'm doing with this brush to get into the crevices are crazy right now. But yeah, no, dope sneaker overall. Materials are questionable. But you know what you're gonna do? What are you gonna do? This could also be because the sneakers beat. So I'm just seeing the materials as poor because they're coming off to me as poor. But you know, I've never actually held a dead stock Sacai in hand. Alright, now we're going to grab the stiff bristle brush because I love those stiff bristles. And we are going to just go along with this midsole, getting all of the dirt off the midsole. I actually thought I had like done something weird to the midsole at first there. And that's why, like, I touched it with my finger real quick. I wasn't too sure, but no, it's, you know, it's fine. It's just the midsole is like that and caught me off guard. This entire shoe's catching me off guard. It's things that, like, didn't expect to see on the Sacai. However, it's fly. Definitely a toughie to clean. Look at that. Look at that midsole. That midsole blocking my brush entry. But yeah, just continue to scrub away on the midsole. You really want to make sure you get underneath the top panel, because that's, you know, rain or a bad muddy day, that's the stuff that's gonna leak down and cause more trouble later on. So, you know, that's the area I was focusing on mostly. And now we're just going to get that toe box, hit it away. Now we are going to let that nylon dry up a little bit after we smack it with the Angelus towel. There we go. Make sure it is nice and dry. And then we are just going to set it to the side and speed through the other sneaker real quick. Okay, alright. This is where we're gonna get crazy. We are gonna get crazy. We are going to grab our deglazer and prepare. We're gonna try to get this paint off with this. We're just gonna start with one of the drops. We're gonna start with that one right there, and nothing. Not even a smudge. And I am going to mention, I did try to sand these off camera. Didn't work. Nothing worked. Spoiler alert. But yep, the glazer does not work here, so we will move on to acetone. Gonna move on to the acetone. So we are just gonna put the acetone on the Q-tip. That's how you make the magic work. But there is no magic here to be worked. There's no magic here to be worked. So I am gonna pull out my newest invention. Just kidding, it's not my invention. I just threw soap in a spray bottle with some water. We're gonna mist it on to the nylon, and we are just going to scrub away. You can already see those stains starting to come out after I mist that stuff on there. Wanna call it the Clean Co on the go mist. But we're just gonna continue to go on the side of the sneaker with our mist. Look at that. Look at all that mist on there. None of these paint specks coming out, but you know, it's alright. It's alright. We're gonna make the rest of the sneakers sparkle, and that's what matters. Call them a custom. Do what you want to make yourself feel better. but we cannot get those paint specks out. It's not happening. We're just going to continue to scrub along this nylon to get it nice and white like it's supposed to be. And now we're going to spray a little bit more mist on this side. We're going to grab our brush again and just continue to scrub, because that's all we're doing here. We're just trying to get this dirty stains out of the nylon, and it is doing its job. Just going to scrub along the leather there and grab our Angelus towel, and the job is complete on this side, at least. On the right side, no paint specks gone, but you know, it's all done, and now we are going to fast forward through.
Alright guys, we just finished those Sacais. They came out beautiful. I mean, they came out clean. We couldn't get the paint specks off, but moral of this story is, do not get wall paint on your Nike Sacais. Alright, Sacais are a real rare shoe. Sacais are a rare shoe. Hard to find, hard to come by. Beautiful sneaker. Beautiful sneaker. The materials, probably heard me say that already. But, beautiful sneaker overall. Once again, don't get wall paint on your very expensive, rare, hyped sneakers. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, turn your notifications on. There's only 2 more days left to the giveaway. 2 more days. Make sure you get in there to get yourself some free sneaker boxes and some free Supreme. Make sure you get in the giveaway. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you next time.